Okay, so now the next thing to do for my broken phone here, you can see my screen is all cracked there. So I'm just gonna go to Asurion's website. That's who I pay my insurance to. It's through AT&T. Start, manage, track your claim, ready to begin, get started. Here we go. Enter your phone number. They already got my number there because I filed a few claims before. Let's go. Wireless number, the affected device. Enter your passcode. Passcode entered. So select which device you want to file a claim on. So there's my S10 Plus. We'll go ahead and select that one. And I want to start a new claim and continue. All right. So we'll go ahead and put all the information in. And we're going to say cracked screen. So we'll choose damaged. It didn't happen yesterday or today. I'll go ahead and choose the date that it actually happened. So the phone came in, I think on Wednesday the 30th. So this had to have happened on Sunday the 3rd, I want to say. And now they want the IMEI of the phone that I broke. Let's see. IMEI ends in 1283. So that's this top one here. Choose type of damage, cracked screen. Did you know we repair cracked screens? Has your device been exposed to liquid? No. Battery damage? No. Is there any other damage beyond the cracked screen? No. Are there any issues with the camera? No. 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 Describe what happened. My phone fell on the floor. All right. I understand. Submit. One moment, we're processing your claim. We can get you back up and running. Here's how. $29 will repair the device at your location. $29 repair at an authorized location. Go with on-site repair. $29 is what they will charge me. Continue. Let's go with Monday at 11 a.m. Continue. I acknowledge. Submit my claim. And boom. All right, so my claim is complete. And I should have a brand new beautiful phone tomorrow. Quick and easy.